Having a bowl of cornmeal porridge in the morning does so much to our body. It's high in energy and promote digestive health. So what can go wrong? So let's make this one, guys. It will surely does wonder. So welcome, guys. So let's get into this. Here I have some pre-cooked yellow cornmeal. You can use whichever one you're using, and I'm using condensed milk. You can totally use the milk of your choice. We have our nutmeg, we have cinnamon, and we also using some salt and moss, yes, and our vanilla. So our water is on the fire, coming to a boil already. Here I'm just pouring the cornmeal into a bowl, and I'm going to pre-mix it so that we have a nice creamy porridge, no lump, okay? So we're just going to add water to this, mix it, and add it to our boiling water. So continue watching, guys, and if it's the first time here, just tap the subscribe button, put your notification bell, in that way you never miss another upload. And to my returning supporters, thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So catch you in another video, guys, or I'll catch you at the end of this one. So continue watching. So here is our cornmeal porridge ready to serve. As I mentioned, you can use the milk of your choice. I use condensed milk. So and another spice you could add is almond. I didn't have any at home. So here I've served up my bowl of cornmeal porridge, and I'm surely going to enjoy this one. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like the video, share, and drop me a comment below. I read all comments and I show them love. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.